the Gada system. The Gada system is an indigenous, democratic, socio-economic, political and ritual system of the Oromo nation. The Gada system is a way of governance which guides the overall aspects of the social, political, economic and religious lives of the Oromo people. It has been practiced for centuries and is still in practice among the Oromo. Oromo nation is organized into 5 Gadas or political parties which rotate every 8 years to assume political, economic and social responsibilities.
You have 8 years term and a cycle of 5.
Generation descent is the organizing principle in the Gada system that helps them acquire knowledge, skills and spirits to lead their people in the future.
Gada.